the Varmilo 75% keyboard with the cherry extra silent red switches. So we will today be unboxing it. We have some pictures. I think these are postcards. They have some inside the box. Here we have the keyboard itself, which we are going to put aside for just a minute. Other than that, we do have a USB adapter, because this is a dual mode keyboard which has a wired as well as a wireless connection. This is the pretty good, actually, I think. Yeah, USB-C cable, USB-C to USB-A. It is red in color, which matches with the keyboard theme, quite nice. And we do have a keycap puller with the Varmilo written on it. Nice. And there is nothing in the box other than that. Okay. So let us put that aside. Coming to the main event, which is the keyboard, I'm just going to take off the rubber, the plastic thingy, and taking it out of the cover. I actually peeled off the cover before I got the package, so yeah, it is like that. So here we have the keyboard itself. It is quite good. Yeah, we have the branding at the back, which says Varmilo model number VD87, Bluetooth, and where it is made and everything. Okay. So it has the two toggles in between for the switches, so it can be stood up in three modes, which is the flat, this one, and the other one, which is more raised up. Same here. Here's the USB-C connection. So yeah, I think the signature branding, or I would say the theme that is going on in this keyboard, is quite good. It is actually quite bright red, which I like. The front of the keyboard is good enough. These are quite silent keys. These are not brown, these are not even red, these are extra silent, like the more silent than the red switches from Cherry. So yeah, quite nice and silent. I was actually thinking to get the brown ones before, but I thought that maybe I won't like them in the long run, so I chose the silent red. I'll be using this keyboard for my official work, as well as for a little bit of gaming that I do. And I think after using it for some time, maybe a week or a couple of weeks, I'll be posting a review of it on this channel, so stay tuned for that. Alright, I think that's it. That's it from my side for today. Hope to see you guys in the next one.